Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fajar and I am a student of BS Chemistry. My ID is 11 and this is the second certificate that has been awarded to me for completing the course Intermediate Python. Now I will start the presentation. First of all, we will discuss chapter 1, basic plots with Matplotlib. Data visualization. It is very important in data analysis. It helps to explore data. It reports insights. And this picture shows an example of data visualization. Second, we will discuss histogram. It explores data set, gets idea about distribution, and this picture shows an example of histogram. Now we'll discuss customization. It includes many options, different plot types, many customizations. Choice depends on data and story you want to tell. This picture shows an example of basic plot. Now we'll discuss chapter 2, which is dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key, which are value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. Now we'll discuss dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionary items are presented in key, value pairs, and can be referred to by using the key name. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Now we'll discuss chapter 3, comparison operators. The Python comparators commonly take two values and compares them. It normally produces Boolean values as true or false. For example, if we give 3 is greater than 2, it produces the result as true. We have 6 comparators in Python. These comparators are strictly less than or equal to, strictly greater than or equal, equal and not equal. Now we'll discuss Boolean operators, which are true and false. The Boolean operators in Python are widely used and have numerous applications in functions and conditional statements. Logical operators like AND, OR, NOT, and comparison operators are used to compare values and result in Boolean outputs of true and false. Truth tables are used to summarize the outputs of these operations. Comparison operators can also be chained for ease of coding but might lead to short circuiting. Now we will discuss chapter 4 of this course, which is while loop. We will discuss if else. It includes control.py. It goes through a construct only once. While loop is equal to repeated if statement. It is numerically calculating model. Repeating action until condition is met. For example, error starts at 50, divide error by 4 on every run. So continue until error no longer is equal to 1, is greater than 1. This picture shows an example of while loop. Python while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. While loop falls under the category of indefinite iteration. Indefinite iteration means that the number of items the loop is executed is not specifically explicitly in advance. Statements represent all the statements indented by the same number of character spaces after a programming constructor considered to be part of a single block of code. Now we'll discuss chapter 5, random numbers. Python defines a set of functions that are used to generate or manipulate random numbers through the random model. Functions in random module rely on a pseudo random number generator function, random, which generates a random float number between 0.0 and 1.0. This particular type of functions is used in a lot of games, lotteries, or any application requiring a random number generation. Now we will discuss random number operations. First one is choice. Choice is an inbuilt function in the Python programming language that returns a random item from a list, tuple, or string. Second is rand range. The random module offers a function that can generate random numbers from a specified range and also allowing rooms for steps to be included, called rand range. Third is random. This method is used to generate a float random number less than 1 and greater or equal to 0. The fourth is seed. Seed function is used to save the state of a random function so that it can generate some random numbers or multiple executions of the code on the same machine or on different machines for a specific seed value. The seed value is the previous value number generated by the generator. For the first time, then there is no previous value. It uses current system time. Thank you. This was all from my side.